So Bitcoin last weeks did rise really dramatically, and the question is what now? So I think you're gonna miss some really important facts in the cryptocurrency world, and I'm gonna tell you what my thoughts are about that. In the last weeks, there was a lot of money. Here you see the dollars flowing into these cryptocurrency markets like BTC, Mt. Gox, Cryptsy, Bitcoin-DE. And the people bring their dollars, euros, and Chinese currency through those markets into the Bitcoin currency. So the price did rise, and during the last weeks, the price did even rise more dramatically. I show that here with this blue line. So what a lot of people will miss these days is that the money that comes through these currency exchanges into Bitcoin won't stay here. The money will flow through Bitcoin into these other currencies. Bitcoin is the biggest currency, and there are a lot of smaller currencies, and these smaller currencies, they are really interesting to invest with because you can diversify your investment. You don't just stay in Bitcoin. And there is Litecoin, there is Feathercoin, there's Bytecoin and Chunkcoin, and a lot more currencies. You have to choose by yourself. So what happens in these days is, in my opinion, is that the Bitcoin price doesn't rise anymore that fast like it did in the past, because a lot of money is flowing through Bitcoin into these small currencies. And what I think, and what is already happening right now, is that the prices of these currencies outperform the Bitcoin price by hundreds of percents. So when we look at these four currencies, I just choose by coincidence. You see Litecoin has a market cap of $890 million. Bitcoin is about $12 billion. So this is the second largest currency on the market, and I would say as bigger the currency, as less risky, so low risk, small price gain in the future. And there's Feathercoin. It's still really small, so if money flows into this currency, the price of Feathercoin will explode. The market cap of Bytecoin, even smaller, high risk, big price gain. Why is it high risky? Because this currency is small. There are not many computers attached to that currency, so hackers can attack this currency easier. And just for fun, and here we have Chunkcoin, it's only $36,000. So if in this currency, let's say $10 million come into this currency, the price will just explode. Here I show the website coinmarketcap.com, and here you see Litecoin is the number 2 right now on the market. It's about 7% of the Bitcoin market cap. Feathercoin, 30 million. Bytecoin is number 35 right now, 200 million. And Chunkcoin is the last one, 37, number 37. And it's only $36,000. The whole currency, Chunkcoin, contains $36,000. So think about that. If investors come to this site here, coinmarketcap.com, I think it's a popular one, and they say, okay, let's just take our Bitcoins, or like 50% of our Bitcoins, and split them up and buy of all these currencies just a little bit. What will happen to chunk coin? This price must explode. But still remember, it's really risky. Probably in a few weeks, chunk coin will be dead. But I think it's worth the risk. If you want to buy small currencies, like not popular currencies, I think the best market is cryptsy.com. You see that here. You can buy almost all currencies on this marketplace. You just go to this website, you register, make an account, and you send your Bitcoins from, let's say, mountgox.com to cryptsy.com, and then on this platform, Cryptsy, you spend your Bitcoins and diversify. This is the most important thing. Diversify. Don't just stay in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now so big, and for price gains, there's a lot of money needed. But when you go to the smaller currencies, you will have a better performance. And once again, don't just buy Litecoins or don't just buy chunk coins. Just diversify. You can buy of all these currencies just a little bit. Let's say you have 30 Bitcoins, or let's say you have 37 Bitcoins. You just invest 1 Bitcoin in all these currencies. So this is the website, coinmarketcap.com, and you see Bitcoin gains 3 to 4%, and these other currencies, the smaller currencies, they are gaining more than Bitcoin. And now you can see, as lower we move here on the screen, as bigger the gains get. So here we have Zeta coin 500%, 90%, 58%, 250%, 144%, 200%, 180%, 150%, 113%, 200%, and chunk coin 1100%. So chunk coin doesn't need a lot of money to grow in price. It's only needed a little bit, like $1 million, and the price will explode. So think about that. What I can say is diversify, diversify, diversify. Don't just risk all your money in Bitcoin.